Weather now, Natasha. A very nice day and a nice evening.
Yes, really pleasant temperatures and some clouds starting to move in right around McMinnville, but this is kind of the best pilot scenario right here. You have overcast, but it's high overcast, so plenty of room to maneuver about down below. 72 right now in McMinnville. Wind there is calm. What about our forecast for Portland? Well, right now we're at a temperature of 76, and for at least the next hour or two, we're going to stay in the low to mid 70s. And then after the sun goes down at 7:21, then our temperatures will move into the upper 60s. So definitely some nice biking weather too. Air quality is in the good category up and down the Willamette Valley and all the way out to the coast. Just a few isolated spots where we're seeing the air quality not in the good category. That'd be downwind of the Cedar Creek fire. Air quality alerts highlighted in this light gray color are going to be in effect at least through tomorrow evening. We could see that change if we get enough measurable rain to make a difference as we roll into this weekend. So what's going to be changing for us? Here's our trough of low pressure that we've been dealing with. A more robust low is going to be dropping down. However, it's going to remain more so offshore than onshore. So as a result, we'll get a little bit of rain, but not a ton. In fact, we'll probably see a bigger impact for Northern California in terms of rainfall than we will right here for Oregon or even Washington. But definitely a cooler weekend. Cooler air is going to be dropping in from the north. So along with that, cool air aloft means a chance for some instability, which means a chance for some thunderstorms in eastern Oregon. We're seeing that already. We'll see likely a repeat pattern for you tomorrow. Now, as we get to the start of next week, a ridge is going to start building in. That gives us some nice dry weather, a string of days together without any threat of rain, and temperatures reaching the low 80s, which would put us just a little bit above normal for next week. Okay, something that will be below normal, though, starting tomorrow is our temperatures. So we're not expecting a big snowstorm by any means, so don't be threatened by this graphic, but we want to show you where that freezing level is. So right around about 6,500 to 7,000 feet. So that pretty much puts you either at or above the tree line. If you're doing any camping this weekend or any climbing, just keep that in mind. Some really cold temperatures in the morning hours and late at night. And with any precipitation that comes through, there's also a chance to see some snowflakes at that 7,000 foot mark. But again, not expecting much overall. Best chance for thunderstorms, again, is going to be for eastern Oregon, and that will be tomorrow. And then on Saturday, that chance moves out across places like Idaho and Nevada. Okay, how about our forecast for rainfall totals? Could we get that 0 mark to measure anything? It's not likely at this point. Really, your best chance is going to be along the coast, so out towards Tillamook, Long Beach. What about Saturday? Saturday, as that system continues to drop to the south, here's what we're expecting for rainfall totals. Again, a bunch of zeros. You might get a trace of rain at best. But again, I wouldn't let this get in the way of your plans going into Saturday night. Now, the best chance to get anything to measure might be at the south end of the valley going into early Sunday morning between Bend and Eugene, maybe a few hundredths of an inch. But again, best place to collect any rain is going to be with any thunderstorm activity for eastern Oregon. Baker City might come out the winner there with about a ½ inch of rain. So looking at our timing for everything, it'll be late in the day Friday. Best chance to see some showers for you at the coast. Quickly disappearing Saturday. Saturday, definitely a mostly cloudy kind of day, but rain is going to be limited unless you're spending time across southern Oregon or eastern Oregon. That would be your best chance to get some rain and across the Cascades going into early Sunday morning. Here's a look at your planner for tomorrow. Waking up to cloudy skies, upper 50s, but your daytime highs tomorrow will only be in the upper 60s instead of the 70s. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So tomorrow's highs, Saturday, we're in the mid to upper 60s. Sunday, we're jumping up to 76, and hey, some 80s to start off next week. Not looking too bad. Overnight temperatures dropping into the low 50s. KOIN 6 News, we'll be right back.